Nej, tangila qaltarsu fabrikkia tamangippat. Good morning, tamungoisia siqqornersuusinarsunaasi Ippassaq. We are taking Ippassaq vlogget isinnaarsumaakut takulartariarissuat because it won't make sense why I look like this if you didn't see the yesterday's vlog. Kisinullimikkup pisissaqaaruppugut ulluuqqalererpoq og ullarfarsunammas piarilererpoq, and I got some things going on. Ullumikkut apigaatiarsimarpasippoq, and it's perfect. It's really perfect. And one has something to do with the kids' snowboard. For a photo shoot. Because I can't do them all. I can't do them all at once. But oh my god, I'm so stupid. Vloggy. The title, I can know the upload to the other. Shit. Well, good morning. Good morning. And you're calling it good morning? This vlog live is no joke. No, upload on the because aamma it should be vlog number 22. Vlog number so we need to fix that. I need to fix that. I do. Okay, but at that uploads of this song. I'm so sorry it's taking so much time. This vlog live is no joke. It's no joke, man. It's no oh my god, look at that. Ooh. Oh, this is a photographer's weather. And I got just the thing. Let's see if we can go over there and take some dope pictures. Oh, I'm so fired up. Oh my god. Oh, that expensive lens. In sharpia chilla. But here's the thing. We got a little problem here, and we need to fix this. Gonna have to pick you up, place you over here. Okay, now we can continue with the vlog. This is ramen. Ooh, what do you think that is?
I don't know. Ja. De sgu da næsten det samme. Okay, det er så venner.
Here it is. See? 2 cameras. Just like yesterday, go check it out. It will be on that card over here. But Kiisami and look what the fuck they did. Fabrikkisen. Nej, der er ingen, der har så fabrik, ja. Der er mange bad. But here we are. Whoa. Lambs. Just under baggrunden der så. Oh man. Got damaged. Holy shit. Vi må slænge i den her. That's probably what they sent us. Hvorfor prøver jeg? Eksperimenterede sådan langt på. Jeg finder det kigge. Okay. The unboxing thing is over. Kiisami juullimi pissakka and check it out. Ja, men jo taru tekkulluni putungaluasassimasoarlaatigun ippalluni jo. So it came from China, so that's why it was the way it was. And I will see what I can do with it. Besides, I saw to for the photo shoot that is to come. I wake up. There's a cell phone. No one gives a shit what the fuck I'm. Mama. Alright, vloggen er med senior and really tired. Det er 19:30, resultatet på. Jesus Christ, it's been a hectic few days. Og når jeg så senere sådan noget, and det går rigtig meget på det. And watch out for tomorrow's vlog, because it may or may not have something to do with these. Og når jeg så senere sådan noget, and I will see you in the next video.